Hello there, it's Sev from Three Counties Motorhomes and welcome to this video guide on the control panel you see in front of me. It's a very easy control panel to use and pretty much gives you all of the features you need to manage your motorhome. Now we turn the control panel on using the power button here and you'll get a beep and you'll see it sort of start up with that sort of rotating effect, and we get a power symbol lit up here. So now the 12-volt system is on. We can turn our water pump on by pressing here. As you can see, that lights up. I'm going to turn this off because we do not have any water on board at the moment, but that's how you would turn your water pump on. The lights can be turned on using this button here, and as you can see, that illuminates when it's on as well. This one here will turn on your outside awning light. And then we have two buttons here for checking battery voltages, B1 and B2 for battery 1 and 2. The symbols denote which batteries they should be. So B1 should be your vehicle battery and B2 should be your leisure battery. So in this case, we press B1 and you can see the voltage shown there. Repeated presses will then show you the capacity as a percentage. I would probably take that with a pinch of salt. But yeah, alternates between the voltage and the capacity, and the same here for the leisure battery. So as you can see, the leisure battery here, and we have the capacity right there. Next up, we have the water tank. This tank here with the waves in it, as you can see. S1 is the freshwater tank, and you can see it's flashing there, telling us there's a problem. If I press again, we then got the first waste tank, and any subsequent waste tanks fitted will be indicated there as well. Typically, if you just have one waste tank, then only one will show you a reading. The other one will always show 0. And then we have temperature. So if I press this, you can see that illuminates. We're now seeing the internal temperature. Pressing it again, if we have the optional sensor for external temperature, that will read there as well. As you can see, it's an option that isn't included on this particular vehicle. And that is basically it. And then to turn the control panel off, we simply just press the power button. It flashes the word off and then turns itself off. And there we go. That is the control panel covered. And I hope you found this video useful. My name's Sev, and thank you very much for watching.